This headline immediately addresses a common pain point: limited screen size. It then introduces the solution, the KODAK Luma 350, and hints at its portability and versatility for entertainment on the go. This concise and intriguing intro is designed to capture the reader's attention and entice them to learn more. KODAK Luma 350 Portable Smart Projector, brand name. KODAK, recommended uses for product: education, home cinema, gaming, business, special feature, built-in speaker, portable, digital keystone correction, lightweight, Wi-Fi ready, connectivity technology, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, USB, HDMI, 3.5mm jack, display resolution, 854 by 480 pixel, product dimensions, 3.1 x 0.87 item weight, 1.81 pounds batteries, 1 lithium polymer batteries required. Included, manufacturer, KODAK. About this item: the premier choice for DLP projection. Portable Smart Projector utilizes breakthrough digital light processing technology to render HD video and imaging with stunning color, clarity, and LED lumen brightness. Massive displays up to 150 inches. Use with the iOS Luma 350 app for intuitive wireless access. Compatibility across all smart devices. Turn your phone into a remote. Discover the ultimate all-inclusive multimedia experience with onboard Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, screen mirroring, HDMI, and USB for phone, laptop, tablet, streaming through downloaded apps, Blu-ray, consoles, and more. Note: the remote can only turn off the projector. Cinema quality video for movie magic. Recreate the visual excellence of a theater project in full Ultra HD resolution with unbelievable picture quality. Built-in speaker lets you enjoy audio. No external equipment needed. Use your phone as a remote to adjust settings, open apps, and choose content. Advanced Android 6.0 and iOS interface. Download apps, browse the internet, and access other exciting content directly on the projector device. Features easy-to-use light-up touch controls, manual focus, audio output, and remote control. Connect your Android or use the iOS Luma app for even more options. For an enhanced experience, update your projector to the most recent firmware on the KODAK Photo Plus website. Note: copyrighted content from Hulu, Netflix, and similar services cannot be mirrored or screencast. Download and use the apps directly through Apollo to view copyrighted content from these providers. Chromecast is not supported. Mirroring and screencast can be used to display non-copyrighted content downloaded on an external device. Product description: movies at their most cinematic and portable. Introducing the elite choice for on-the-go entertainment. With the KODAK Luma 350 Portable Smart Projector, cinema quality imaging is at your fingertips. The miniature device uses every popular media option in today's market, boasting onboard Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, mobile-to-screen mirroring, USB, and HDMI hookups for comprehensive compatibility. Using the system's mobile control options, users can browse the internet, stream Netflix and Hulu, and access other popular games and content, all directly through the projector without the need of an external device. Whether you're watching movies at home, leading a meeting at the office, or delivering a keynote address in front of hundreds of people, the lens' powerful 350 lumen lamp projects images with exceptional brightness, throwing 16.7 million colors and crystal clear HD detail up to 150 inches. Just pop it in your pocket, and your favorite TV shows, games, movies, and streaming apps are just a click away. What you get: 1x Luma 350 projector from KODAK, 1x remote control, 1x HDMI cable, 1x AC adapter. Quick start guide to get your cinema started. Specs and details: OS, Android 6.0.1, connectivity, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, HDMI, USB. Technology, 0.2 inches WVGA DMDB-LP. Brightness, 200 ANSI lumens. Resolution, 854 by 484K. LED life, 30,000 hours. Contrast, 3,500 to 1. Display, 16.7 million colors. Aspect, 16 to 9. Battery, 7,500 mAh. How to enjoy: power the projector and face a flat wall or screen. Note: streaming platforms, Netflix, Prime Video, Hulu, etc., may restrict screen mirroring from certain devices or in certain countries. Download and use apps directly on your projector to use these streaming platforms and stream other content. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the product review channel for more videos.